myself, we have going on. And I believe that is all the announcements that we have at this moment. And if there will be any other, they'll come later on from Pastor Finley.
Amen. Welcome, Facebook friends and family, and welcome those who may be listening via conference call. We thank you this morning for joining us. We'd like to say happy birthday again to our musician, Brother Charles Jones. And happy birthday to our own minister, Lennis Glaze, who will celebrate on Christmas Eve. Amen. Hosted by Christian Community Outreach Church, the Ruffin NeuroLab will be having a community STEM workshop here at the church. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Wow.
So they are here. They're coming to inspire curiosity through the STEM research, innovation in our community, which will include interaction STEM demonstration, real world science and technology, and it will be encouragement for future scholars. Yes, it's open to all family and friends. It's a community focused event. All ages are welcome. And it's going to be this Tuesday here at the church, 591 New Park Avenue, from 6 to 7 p.m. And the admission is $20. Amen? So come on out, young people, adults, including myself, and learn some stuff about STEM research. Christian Community is on the move. They're also having a movie night. Amen? Yes, that's going to be Saturday. Yes, 22nd at 3 p.m. And the movie will be The Preacher's Wife. And that night will include pizza, chips, drinks, and all are welcome. For more details, please see our brother Christopher. Amen?
Amen.
Christian Community's Outreach Bible Study and Prayer is every first and second Tuesday of the evening, beginning at 6:45. And our women's prayer is every first Saturday of the month, beginning at 10 a.m. Please remember that it's flu season. Connecticut and Massachusetts are two of the places that have one of the highest flu rates. So let us all take care of ourselves and do our part and stop the spread. If you don't feel well, stay home, wear a mask, take good care of yourselves, okay? And the other thing is, Merry Christmas to you all, and may God bless you. Amen.
Amen. We also thank God for you all. Thanks, Sister Mel. Amen.